Welcome to my channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the surprising health benefits of pine nuts chilgoza. Pine nuts offer several health benefits. Number one, rich in nutrients, packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Pine nuts contribute to overall well-being. Number two, heart health. The monounsaturated fats in pine nuts make heart healthy and may help lower bad cholesterol level, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Today we are discussing the health benefits of pine nuts chilgoza. Number third is weight management. Pine nuts contain pinolanic acid, which may help suppress appetite and aid in weight management. Number four, eye health. Rich in antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, pine nuts supports eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Very important superfoods to improve eyesight. Next is improved energy level. If you want to improve energy level, use pine nuts chilgoza. Pine nuts are a good source of protein and healthy fats, providing sustained energy throughout the body. The number six is anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidant in pine nuts help combat inflammation, contribute to low risk of chronic diseases. The number seven is brain function. Essential nutrients like magnesium, zinc in pine nuts play a role in cognitive functions and may support overall brain health. Skin health. Antioxidant and fatty acid in pine nuts contribute to healthy skin by protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation. The number nine, digestive health. Pine nuts contain dietary fibers, promoting digestive regularity and a healthy gut. Last but not least, boosted immunity. Nutrients like zinc, vitamin C in pine nuts support strong immune system, helping the body defend against illness. Pine nuts are very beneficial to reduce illness, help to improve digestion, very beneficial for skin, help to improve brain function. Incorporating pine nuts into your diet can be a flavorful way to enjoy these health benefits. Passion, food, and health. Thank you very much.